Here's how you can import LUTs in Premiere Pro. So you might be asking, what are LUTs? LUTs are your basically color grading slash color correction thingy. So I'm gonna show you a step by step on how you can import them. So it's very easy. First of all, just go to your Adobe Premiere Pro file location. So just open file location and go again to Adobe Premiere Pro, and you'll see here a lot of files, but you have to go to Lumetri. Let me just find Lumetri over here. Yeah, this one. Just go to Lumetri and you'll see LUTs over here. Just go to LUTs and you'll see three. It depends on your LUTs type. So if you got technical, so you can just import your technical LUTs, or legacy or creative. So mostly people import LUTs to creative. So there are a lot of LUTs in mine. So what you have to do is, let's say I don't have any LUTs, but this is a LUT. You can just drag in simply over here and it will import the LUTs in your Premiere Pro. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can import LUTs in Premiere Pro. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.